Hey everyone, Extreme Crypto here with another bullish crypto. We found a coin who's moved 27% in the last 24 hours. But before we get to what the coin is and what's it about, make sure to subscribe and hit the like button so we can keep on growing the crypto adoption. So the coin we're currently looking at has moved rapidly. And the strategy we're using to find these coins is we've marked the top 300 coins 24 hours ago. And then, as you can see, all of them is stored. Top 100, we didn't have any coin that moved from outside the top 300 into the top 100. We're looking between 100 and 200. Nothing has moved from outside top 300 into the top 100 to 200 range. But when we get to the third page, we found one. We had one coin that has made a rapid move. It's currently positioned 261. So it moved at least 40 spots in the last 24 hours. Its current market cap is $244 million. Now, if we go down all the way, we can see the coin in the 300th position standing at $204 million. That means it's a move of $40 million in the last 24 hours, or at least past the top 300 coin. Looking at the MXC coin, it's currently priced at 10 cents. With its circulating supply of 2.4 billion, a total supply of 2.6 billion. We go down to the chart and we click on a max chart. We can see the coin has been around, or at least on CoinGecko, since 2018, and it just moved sideways, being down below, and now suddenly it's erupting. We look at it last 24 hours, low and high price. We can see it was trading less than 8 cents and now trading above 10 cents. When we calculated, when we started the video, it was around about a 27% move in price difference. If we go to the MXC page or website, your free smart city IoT network on Web 3.0. Web 3.0? Didn't all of us think Web 3.0 is new? This coin has been around since 2018. MXC supernodes provide geolocation-based LPWAN coverage to devices around the world. Discover what MXC supernode can do for you. Then there's different pictures of what it looks like. The M2M token. MXC is an ERC20 token used to top up MXC supernodes, cover down link fees associated with the LPWAN device roaming. They have staking. Staking provides the MXC community members with the opportunity to share in MXC supernode profits. A small percentage of all network fees transacted through a supernode is split between the supernode operators, supernode stakers, and the MXC Foundation. MXC mining hardware manufactured by MatchX. Anyone is able to set up an LPWAN gateway and earn MXC by sharing their network. MXC miners are part of a world-first multi-token mining experience, allowing them to mine MXC and a wide variety of other tokens throughout their mining journey. MXC and you, together, we are changing the world. MXC public network coverage. Looking at this is North Europe, Belgium, Germany, Poland, Romania, Switzerland. The MXC recent meetup and the MXC supporters. And the main ones I'm looking for is where can it be? Albi is a big exchange. VeChain. That's just two of the big names that's announced on this page. If we look at the token, about the MX token, MXC is a ERC20 utility token used for the device transactions conducted through the MXC Supernode network. MXC adds value by giving the MXC community a chance to share in Supernode profits through staking. A video you can watch on YouTube. I'm not going to watch it because it will probably throw me out. Get back to the token. The white paper. Our white paper explains in detail how the MXC is building an open source protocol to revolutionize open source wireless communication. Our one pagers transform the tech talk into everyday language. Exchanges. These are big exchanges: Huobi, Gateway, OKX, KuCoin, MXC ambassadors. Let's see the talks about the supernodes. Supernodes, introducing the most progressive step in the burgeoning global data economy. A step that is set to reform the data transmission market and significantly increase token data transaction speeds. Welcome to the new world of data. Welcome to MXC Supernodes. So looking at this token is something that started years ago and just started building themselves up. 𝙏𝙝𝙖𝙑, the world's multi-token mining staking crypto earning app. They're on Apple Store. They're on Google Play. Stake, earn, and relax. The 𝙏𝙖𝙑 app makes it easy to get your tokens working for you. Turn your mobile into a powerful crypto earning tool. The revolutionary mining technology brought to you by the MXC Foundation allows you to mine a multitude of IoT data and cryptocurrencies from Bitcoin, MXC, IPFS, and data highway token easier, cheaper, and faster than ever before. The staking. Make your favorite token work for you. Using the 𝙏𝙖𝙑, you'll be able to stake your tokens with the power of our global supernode network. Earn healthy returns on the amount you stake each month and every month. Mining. Set up your data miners with the 𝙏𝙖𝙑 app. Watch the progress, watch your earnings, and cash out whenever you want. It's highly earning mining made simple. Data tracking. If data is the new gold, then get ready for your own mining. 𝙏𝙖𝙑 is talking crypto, IoT, and data into the future. It's time to get on board. About MXC. MXC is building a global data network that allows the device of tomorrow to connect, commit, and communicate more efficiently than ever before. Cities, companies, and individuals benefit by building the network or using it in transmit and manage their data. Looking at this coin, being down as far as they've been for as long, let's see. Their move only started around, let's say, 10 of July 2020, and now they're rapidly moving up. We've seen a lot of talks about Web3 currently, and this token is about around 2018 managing Web3 on their website. Is this an opportunity to look at? Will this token keep on mooning or will it not? I haven't invested into this one yet. I want to look through the staking and the farming and the mining and see what's it all about. But this is our biggest mover for today. Leave me your comments and concerns down below and let me know what you're thinking. Have a great one. Enjoy the gains.